Let's make egusi soup. Here I have beef, fish and stockfish. Now let's cook. Add the fish, onions, seasoning cubes and salt. Stir to combine. Now add your stockfish. Cover and allow to cook. Now I'm going to remove the fish and allow the meat to cook properly. At this point you can grill. I'm not doing any of them today. Now I'm going to add my leftover cow food, dry catfish. I'm going to add more water and allow it to cook properly. At this point I have blended my egusi seed. Here it is, and blended onions. I'll go ahead and blend my peppers and onions. Crayfish, I'll be using fresh spinach and pumpkin leaf. I'll bring it out from my freezer. So go ahead and use any vegetable of your choice. You guys, I don't like bone in my soup. I've deboned my cooked mackerel fish. I like to debone it like this. Now I'm going to pick my vegetable. I'm going to wash it first before slicing. After slicing, I'll blanch. I like to blanch my spinach. Now I'm going to add hot water. Now I'm going to take it to my sink, sieve it and run cold water on it to stop it from cooking. Then I'll squeeze out the excess water and it's good to go. Here is the spinach. Look at it. I'm going to set it aside. The meat has cooked really well. I'm going to transfer it to this pot. Time to put everything together. I'm done prepping. Now it's time to make the soup. I'm going to add my oil, palm oil. I'll add your locust beans, some crayfish. Stir and allow it to release the fragrance. Now I'm going to add my egusi paste. Stir and allow it to fry. Don't forget to stir now and then so that it doesn't bend. Now as you can see, the egusi has dried. Look at that, fluffy. Now I'm going to add my peppers and onions at this point. Stir and allow it to fry a little more. Proteins. Now let's check on the soup. It's been cooking for a while now. I'm going to stir. I'm going to add my spinach and pumpkin leaf. Spinach. Pumpkin leaves. Now it's time to add my deboned fish. One seasoning cube and more crayfish. Now stir. Cover and allow it to cook for 3 minutes and it's done. Our soup is ready.